Now we're gonna put the top back on. Oh, great. Great. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a sensor mouthwash dispenser. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is a dual installation, you guys. So if you are not tool friendly, you don't know how to use a screw nail, hammer nail, whatever. And it looked like they have some adhesive on here. So it has a 2-cup storage right here. You need batteries. This is 650 milliliters of capacity. And for y'all favorite part is the unboxing. So here we have the glass container right here. Oh, okay. Gotta take the stuff out of the glass container. Now that's one way to fool somebody. I was like, where's the rest of the pieces? This has a nice look to it. It looks like something that will be in, you know, the commercial buildings and stuff like that when you do your commercial soap and stuff. Oh, that's awesome. It has a filter on it, you guys. 2 little small cups. All right, it looks like you have buttons right here on the side. So button there, button there. I don't think that's a button. So you have 10, 20, 30 mil right there. All right. And you guys, this is for the people that, you know, don't have no drill gun or they just not handy with tools. You have tape. This is pretty strong, you guys. We're gonna push down and that's it. This is the mount if you need to use screws and anchors right here. So you can mount it if you have a hollow wall. For the ones that need to use the adhesive, you put the adhesive on to the mount. To store your cup, it's simple. Cup goes on the bottom. It's magnetic, you guys. All right, so awesome. In the middle is the magnet right here. So if you put this on, you see that? I'll catch on a little bit. Now we are about to install the mouthwash. First thing you want to do is get a pencil, make your mark. And also you want to make sure it's level. Drill a little pilot hole here. Me personally, I don't like anchors. I don't like doing stuff with anchors. I'd rather screw into the stud, but we got to work with what we work with, right? It's in there and it's not going nowhere. There we go. This looks pretty cool. It is up there. All right, you guys, so we have mouthwash. This mouthwash is the Walmart brand. This is so cool, you guys. Having fun already. Now we're gonna put the top back on. Oh, great. Great. Let me get some gloves. I got it back out, you guys. If y'all wanna know how I got it out, I used my kid's toothbrush. So I just did the setting. When you put it on, it gives you 10 mils. Right now I hit plus again, 20 mils. I hit plus again, it goes to 30 mils. Now I'm going to show y'all what 30 mils look like. Okay, there's a little delay. Woo! 30 mils give you all the way to the tippy top. I'm a 10 to 20 mils type of person. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. Other than that, that will be it, you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.